In this video, we are going to talk about a type of step that could be a problem with your local building inspector. And I will not be able to provide you with a definite yes or no whether or not you could use this type of design. And of course, we have a curved back section here. And since the building codes refer to measuring from the furthest projection forward on both steps to measure the minimum tread depth, which is usually going to be 10 inches, but in some cases it could be 9 inches. And on public stairs, it might be 11 inches. And basically the problem with this is if you're choosing this section here and this section here, you shouldn't have a problem. Or if you're going to choose this section here, this would be the furthest projection point forward. And if I went up to the upper step to the same point, I'm still going to have the same distance. And in this example, that distance will be a horizontal measurement of 12 inches if we measure from either points. But this really isn't the problem, in my opinion. What I see is a shorter, usable step. And of course, this is going to depend upon the radius that we're going to have for the curve and the length of the tread depth. And that might look something like this if we have a larger curve versus a smaller curve to provide us with more usable horizontal space. And you would need to check with your local building department to verify if you could even use something like this. And thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to visit our website. We have an organized list of our videos there. You might have a difficult time finding that anywhere else.